Hi everybody, I just want to show you what I think is the best new feature for my workflow that's arrived in Lightroom for a long time. So let's have a quick look at what we've got here. I've got a series of bracketed shots which I took in Bradford the other day, so you can see all these here. Now traditionally what you had to do was highlight 3 of them, right click, photo merge, HDR, and then it would merge them for you. There was a shortcut where you could highlight all 3 of them, then press on your keyboard Control and Shift and then H, and that would merge them. But you'd have to do it one for that one, then you'd have to do it for that one, then you'd have to do it for this one. This series here of, what are there, 10, 15 shots, something like that, you'd have to do it 5 or 6 times, and that's all very time consuming. New in the very latest version of CC is this amazing thing. So let's watch what you do. So I'm going to highlight all the shots, which is up to there. There's 21 selected, you can see down here. That's 7 brackets. Next step is to right click and you can go down to stacking, and this puts them into stacks. Auto stack by capture time. This pops up a little box where you can say stack these things by the amount of time between each shot. So each bracket here was done on high speed shooting, so would have taken under a second, but I'm going to say 2 anyway, 2 seconds. So stack. So if we go back up here, there we go, 7 stacks, 3 in each, you can see there. Okay, so we've done that bit. Let's just make them a bit bigger so it fills the screen. And now here's the genius bit. Right click, photo merge, HDR. It's the same process as earlier, but what it does now, it says 7 photo merge operations added. So rather than going through individually, if you've done a full day shoot and you've got, say, 200 brackets of HDR all done in this way, you can do the auto stack, right click and merge them, and then go for a brew. You come back a bit later and hey presto, they're all merged.